what sort of pouches you want to add. This one at the top right here. Next, I'm gonna put this one right underneath here. And lastly, I'll put a small one on each side like this. Hi, my name is Tony, and today I'll show you how to make a tactical vest just like this one right here. I'll show you what type of leather you need, what type of metal hardware, and I'll show you how you can accessorize it with these leather pouches. But first, use the links down in the video description to download all the patterns you need. Check out the included sizes before you order this pattern. Once you got the patterns, open them with Adobe Reader, go into the printer settings and check actual size, and after you print you can check it printed correctly using the test page. The front and the back of this vest are pretty big, so I had to split them over several different pattern pages. I will show you next how to combine them and get these into one single piece. I used this 6-ounce or 2.4 millimeter leather for everything. You can use thicker leather if you want, but I would advise keep the straps around 6-7 ounces. Otherwise, they're gonna be a bit more difficult to handle. Next, I'm gonna show you how to use the paper patterns to cut the leather and punch all the stitching holes and the rivet holes you're gonna need. Once you cut everything, before we move on and put everything together, I really recommend you use a little bit of edge paint and dress all the edges. And here is everything you need to put together this vest. The back, the front, the waist straps, the shoulder straps, which you will use to adjust how high or how low the vest will sit on yourself. The top straps for this pouch, the side buckle straps, 3 on each side, the waist straps, the shoulder buckle straps, the shoulder pads, and the back nameplate. That was all the leather pieces. Now let's go over all the hardware pieces you're gonna need. Two 25mm buckles for the shoulder straps up here. 6 20mm buckles for the side straps. 3 on each side. 6 sun brown buttons and about 50 rapid rivets. The rivets should be long enough to go through 2 or even 3 layers of the leather you will be using. It's time to put everything together, and I'm gonna start by riveting these 5 vertical straps first. Next, I'm gonna use rivets, but only for the middle of the 3 top straps right here. I'm gonna use sun brown buttons to hold the ends in place. And the last 2 items we're gonna attach to the front are the 2 buckle straps at the top here. That's the front piece finished. Let's set it on the side and move on to the back. This is a blank name tag, and you can use the pattern for the letters included with this pattern to place a name or a logo or call sign, whatever you want, at the back here. I'll leave mine blank just in case somebody wants to buy this and will want it personalized. Either way, we gotta stitch this in place and move on. Next, let's attach the side buckles, 3 on each side. After these are done, you can go ahead and attach the top shoulder straps. You might also want to make a couple of shoulder pads just in case this is gonna carry a lot of weight and you need a little bit of support for your shoulders. I will now insert all the pouches I've made for this vest. If you want to see how each of these pouches were made, I'm gonna leave a link down in the video description so you can go ahead and watch that video as well. What sort of pouches you want to add or how you want to arrange them, it's entirely up to you. This is how I'll customize mine. This one at the top right here. Next I'm gonna put this one right underneath here. And lastly I'll put a small one on each side like this. The easiest way to put this on is to undo one side and then place it over your head. Tighten the side buckles and you're done. The design will allow you to sit on it, to run, to twist around, and you're gonna have quick and easy access to any of the pouches, which is very important. This was it, very easy build. Again, make sure your size is included, and if you want to see how the pouches were made, check out the link I left for you in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I have more videos like this coming up, so subscribe to our channel. And if you hit that notification bell, YouTube will remind you next time I publish my next tutorial. Peace, I'm out.